Hello everyone, welcome to the class. We are solving the problems on compound interest. Today also we are solving some more questions on it. So our next question is question number 5. Find the difference between semi-annually compounded compound interest and annually compounded compound interest on rupees 12,500 for 2 years at the rate of 12% per annum. So here principal P is equal to rupees 12,500 time T is equal to 2 years and rate of interest R is equal to 12% per annum. First we are finding the compound interest for semi-annually compounded. So semi-annually compounded compound interest is given by the formula P times 1 plus R upon 200 to the power 2t minus 1. This is the formula to calculate the semi-annually compounded compound interest. Now putting the values of P, R and T. P is 12,500, 1 plus R is 12%, 12 upon 200 to the power 2 into the value of T is 2 minus 1. So it is 12,500. So we simplify this. First 12 divided by 200 divided by 200 and plus 1, we get 1.06. to the power 4 minus 1 into 12,500. So we get 3,280.96. So this is the compound interest. Semi-annually compounded compound interest on rupees 12,500 per 2 years at the rate of 12% per annum. Similarly, we find the annually compounded compound interest also for the same principle, same time, same rate, and then we find the difference. Semi-annually compounded, now it's annually, annually compounded compound interest. Our formula is P1 plus R upon 100 to the power T minus 1. This is the formula to calculate the annually compounded compound interest. Now here also putting the value of P, R and T. P 12,500, 1 plus r is 12. The value of t is 2 minus 1. Now here also 12 divided by 100 plus 1 or 2 from here we get 1.2544 minus 1 minus 1 into 12,500. We get 3180. 3180. So here we have the semi-annually compounded compound interest rupees 3280.96 and annually compounded compound interest rupees 3180. Now according to question we have to find the difference between these two interest. So now required difference is equal to minus 3180 is equal to rupees 100.96. So this is the required difference between the semi-annually compounded compound interest and annually compounded compound interest of rupees 12,500 for 2 years at the rate of 12% per annum. This is another question on compound interest. The question is, if Ram borrowed rupees 1,50,000 from Sita at the rate of 21% per annum, at the end of 9 months, how much compound interest compounded half yearly should he pay? So here also we have the principal P is equal to rupees 1,50,000 and rate of interest R is equal to 21% and time is given 9 months. We are finding the compound interest half yearly compounded, but time is given 9 months. So how do we manage the time? It is very important thing here. So how many half years are there in 9 months? We separate the half years, then other remaining number of months. How many number of months will be remaining there after separating the possible number of half years? So we know that in 9 months there is only one half year, because 6 months is equal to 1 half year. So we divide this 9 months time is 6 months plus 3 months. It is 6 upon 12 years plus 3 months. Therefore, we write T is equal to, it is 1 upon 2 years, and M is equal to 3 in our formula. We have compound interest compounding half yearly. When the time is given in this form, when we have certain number of half years and certain number of months, in this case we have our formula like P1 plus R upon 200 to the power 2t times 1 plus MR upon 1200 minus 1. So this is the formula we have to use in this case for half yearly compounding when the time is given in some number of half years and some remaining number of months. So number of half year 2t and number of months, remaining number of months, the value of M we have 3 here. So putting these all values in the formula, there are principal is 1,50,000, rate 21%, 200. So value of T, the number of years here, it is 1 by 2. So 2T is the number of half years. So 2 into 1 by 2, that is 1. The number of half year in 9 months is 1. And 1 plus M 3 into R 21 upon 1200 minus 1. It is 1,50,000 as it is. This 2 and 2 cancel. Now calculating this, we get (21) divided by 200. Plus 1. It gives 1.105 this side, and here this is 63 divided by 1200. Divided by 1200 plus 1. It gives 1.0525 minus 1. So multiplying these two, 1.105 into 1.0525 minus 1 into 1,50,000 at a time. One more time, 1.105 into 1.0525 minus 1 into 1,50,000. So we get 24451.87. So this is the compound interest on rupees 1,50,000 for half yearly compounded, and the time is 9 months, and rate of interest is 21%. Therefore, Ram has to pay rupees 24451.87 is yearly compounding, compounded semi-yearly, not yearly. Ram has to pay rupee this much is annually semi-annually compounded. On rupees 1,50,000 for 9 months at the rate of 21% per annum.